You can do it most. So fit item 2 in item 5. So item 2, actually this thing is actually telling you how to do. Do you have to section the complete drawing? Yes, my dear, we have to section. I'm sorry guys, with your comment, I am busy drawing some of the comment. I might not read them because I'm concentrating. You see, yes, we are going to section at the end. Why? Because the question said draw to a scale 1:1 a full sectional front view. Understand? A full sectional front view. So you'll just wait, you'll see how we are going to section. Let's fit item 2 in item 5 now. So you see that the thickness of this wheel of yours, item 2, they said it's a item 2, the name of it is a lever collar. So it's of the thickness 30. So from here till there is 30 millimeter, which is corresponding with what? This one, from there till there. It tells you what indeed item 2 supposed to be fitted in item 5. So from there till there is 30. So we will simply deal with what? With the outside diameter first, which is 60. From here till there, 60 millimeter. So 60 divided by 2, you are getting 30, isn't it? So I can come and just simply put it my 30 at the center like this. There is my 60 and 0. You understand? Where is my proper pencil? Let me just sharpen it. Then after that, from here till there is 60 millimeter. I'll first have a faint line and another faint line there. So we are having another one which they said is diameter 56. So 56 divided by 2. Even tomorrow you must have your calculator with you, isn't it? So we are getting 28 millimeter. So you come and say 28. This is 30, 29, 28 is this one, isn't it? So I mark it at 56, 55, 56 is this one, and mark it 0. You understand? Then I take them horizontal faint. Take this one horizontal faint. Then from there, so now we are told, we're actually given everything guys here. So from here till there is 26 millimeter. So to get that, we firstly have to divide the outer one, which from here till there is 30, so that we get the center. So 30 divided by 2 is giving us what? 15 millimeter. So draw this vertically down. You understand? So take it further down. Why? Because of you are still going to need it there by your item 6 when you are now fitting item 6. So take it just a little bit down like this. You understand? So now we can say 26 divided by 2, 26 divided by 2. Because of the center, we are getting 13 millimeter. So now I am going to measure 13 this side, 13 this side. You understand? You can even do it up there, still on the same thing. You understand? So this is 10, 1, 2, 3. That's my 13 millimeter, and I mark at 26. This is 26 is right here, and I mark at 0. You understand? So it's very close. So remember, what are we doing? We are drawing item 2. Item 2. which is this one. So after you've gotten this one, so you can now just simply join this point with this one, dark. Which one is this one? Is this one. There it is. You understand? Again, from here till there. You understand? From here till there, so that you get this one. It's not at an angle, guys. Somebody might be like, yeah, that one is 45. We don't know whether it's 45 or not. We are just using the information that we are given. So the dimension, because we're actually given everything here. So now I can come on the upper part. I am 100% sure what it's supposed to be dark till throughout like this. So I'm not quite sure on the bottom part, because I can see there is a hole there with internal thread. You understand? So you might find that from here till there it has to disappear. You understand? Then again here I can now have it dark till up there, and this one is already there. So right here I'll just draw it just a little bit up until I come back and see what is happening there. So we're actually left with one item that we have to draw. After that section we are done. After that section then we are done. So now this item 6, indeed it will be fitted in item 2. So from here till there is M12, which correspond with that. You understand? And again the length of your thread is how much? Is 11 millimeter, which is corresponding with that. You understand? So which means even down here by my item 2 I can have it solid without fear or favor. You understand? So why? Because of I understand the length of the thread, they're actually starting here going down, and even here they are ending here. You understand? They don't sometimes you'll tighten a bolt up until it's very tight, whereas there are still thread left. You understand? So now let's measure this 11 millimeter from here till there. This is 10, 11 is ending right here. 11 is ending right there. So I'm having a thickness of what? Of 12 millimeter. So we are going to say 12 divided by 2, we're getting 6, isn't it? So this is 10, there is my 12, and it is 0. Understand? So now I can have this one dark from here till there, from here till there, and from here till there. Then after that one we are seeing a dimension of what? Of 14 millimeter. Then from the very same point till there, 14 millimeter. So there is 15, 14 is this one. So there is my 14 millimeter. Understand? Ending. So I can just draw a faint line where my 14 is ending. So now remember, this is a hole. This is a hole. So we'll come and draw this one nicely when we are now. We can even do it now, because we know what the thickness of the thread we are using 0.1. So we're going to say 0.1 times an M number, which is what? Which is 12. So it's 1.2. So you're gonna use 2 millimeter. 2 millimeter. How? This 2 millimeter, which means from where now? From here till there is gonna be 2 millimeter. From here till there it's gonna be 2 millimeter. You understand? So from here till there is 14 millimeter. So this one is going to be like this. Where is this? We're going to measure 1 millimeter like this. There is our 1 millimeter, and again this side 1 millimeter. There it is. Then from there I can take it to where our 14 ends, and there you go. Understand? Then now you take your 30 millimeter ruler, you have this one and you have that one. Understand? Then from there have this one, angle 30, this one, from here till there, from here till there. So such kind of things tomorrow you must end with them. Angle 30, there you go, and angle 30 like this. Right, so these ones, they will be further extended up. Let's see, because now we're supposed to be there they go, there you go, there you go. So we assume that this part of item 6 is already there. So because they said from there till the 11, which is corresponding with that, isn't it? So from here going up, we measure 60 millimeter. There is my 60 ending. Then from where my 60 ends, I can put a vertical, a horizontal center line. You understand? So from here till there is my 60 millimeter. Understand? So, and after that one, I'll have a cycle of what? Of 26. Do I have it here? Let me double check if I don't have it. 26. Yes, I do. So just use a stencil ruler so that you are fast and accurate. So I'll have it solid, this one. Then from there we are having what? The thickness of this is 6, is what? Is 60 millimeter. 60 by 16 divided by 2, you are getting 8, isn't it? So you're going to record 8 millimeter this side. This is 10, 9, this is 8. You understand? So 15, 16, I mark at 16 and I mark at 0. So that from here till there is 16 millimeter. You understand? So from there I can have it solid. There you go, and there you go. So that's how you fit item 6 into item 4, in item 2, not 4, sorry. So as far as I am concerned, we're supposed to have a nut here. We're supposed to have a nut here because this one, it's a lock. This pin, it is the one that it will be locking item 4 into item 1. Remember, that one is item 4, into item 1. And this shaft, which is item 5, is being there is what? Item 2 fitted there. So indeed, so that this mechanism of ours is not loose, we're supposed to have what? A nut there. So which is what is not shown. Go back to what? To your part list. Item 8 is a hexagonal what? Nut, not shown. You're supposed to draw it. Understand? So it is very much important. So to draw a nut of M14, of M14, you'll remember the standard formula. Back from N2 or grade 11, you are going to say 1.5 times an M number, which is 14, isn't it? So you're getting 21, and this 21 is going to be diameter. You understand? We won't be treating it as a radius. So let us do it. How to do it? So just extend this line a little bit, this horizontal, this one horizontal, there you go. Once it gets there, so let us see, before we even draw it, let's get the thickness before we draw the cycle, because we have to get the cycle first. Let's get the thickness of it, because if the space is too small, you can even draw it this side. You won't be penalized, still one and the same thing. You understand? So the thickness of this nut of ours that we're about to draw. You understand? So here we got 21, and its diameter 21. You understand? So going to say the M number is what? Is 14. So we're going to say 0.8. 0.8 is the height of the nut. Then 0.7 is the height of the bolt. You understand? So we're going to say 0.8 times M number, which is 40. We are getting simplified. We are getting 11 millimeter. So, and we are not told what there is a washer or something. Because if there was a washer, we were going to be given here a washer. You understand? So here we do not have a washer. So this 11 millimeter, we record it right from here. This is 10. This is 11 millimeter. It's ending right here. So where my 11 millimeter end, I can put this vertical faint line. So from there I can now go back to my what? To my 1.5 times M number, which is 14. We are getting 21. So 21 to 1 divided by 2, so that we get the radius. Understand? It's 10.5. So you take your drawing compass, you open it to 10.5. 10.5 is the dimension that is between 10 and 11. So there it is. I come and draw what? A faint line, a faint cycle. So where was I placing my drawing compass? I can put a vertical center line. Right. So now I come and place my drawing compass here at this point, because I want to have the nut that is not across the flat, a flat hexagon, not across the flat hexagon. So in general, it's like we are drawing the what you call the auxiliary view of this nut that we're about to draw. I place it here, further extend it to the center. This is it. I have to be accurate. This is too small. And then I come and strike an arc here, and strike an arc here. Come to this one again, from here to the center. From here till there, I strike an arc here. Also strike an arc there. Understand? So after that, I can have this one dark from here till there, dark, and from here till there, dark. Understand? And have this one, there you go, dark, there you go, dark, there you go, dark. Guys from TikTok, are you still with us? Even YouTube guys, are you still with us? Okay, now from there we can take this one faint, there you go, and this one, see they're inline, this one, there you go, what happened here, this one, there you go. So I've got this point and that one, this one and that one. this one and that one, this one and that one. So I will take my my 30 millimeter ruler and join this point with this one diagonal. I'll have to further extend up until it crosses the horizontal center line. So there you go, faint. I can stop there, and even this side. So there you go, I can stop there. So which means I'll be placing my drawing compass here to get this arc. So even this side, I join this one with that one. So there you go. In this side, join this one with that one. There you go. So I can now take my drawing compass and put it here, further extend it till where my 11 millimeter, from here till here is 11, isn't it? Where my 11 millimeter end, and have an arc that will be like this. Then I can stop there, and what I did to this side, I can do it to this other side. There you go. Can stop right there. You understand? So now to get this smaller one, it's a challenge, I know. Place it here. Let me just a little bit. From here till there. Supposed to be dark. Dark here. From here till there. In this side. From here till there. In this side, from here till there. So I can now dark here, dark there, dark here, and dark here. Understand? And have another dark line that will be like this. Right, so let's see, after we've put it our item 8, remember is which one? Is this one. So now let's see, they said from here till there is 11 millimeter, and at the time do you see that we are at the right track? If you say from here till here is 11 millimeter, then you come and say 0.8 times m number, which is 14. You see that is giving you the very same 11 millimeter. So which means this shaft is not gonna go out. It's not gonna go out. It will remain like this. This part of it was 11 millimeter. Same apply. Assuming it was they set from here till here maybe 15, it was gonna be shown just a little bit. So which means submit your work like this. So now let's start to section, the very much important part of it, because the question said a full sectional front view. So now we are going to start with with item 1. So when we section, we use this kind of ruler. So your hatches, they must be equally spaced at an angle of this set square. So I'll decide to start here. I'll start with item 1 at an angle of 45 degrees. My hatches, they must be equally spaced. There you go. See, upper there is starting to come, you see. So this side is already out, but out there, upper part of it is now coming. There you go. There you go. It's already out. You understand? So this one is what is my item. Diameter 8. This one is my item 1. You understand? So I can even indicate with the dash. So the item 1 it will be only section like this. Why? Let me explain that. So that is why when I teach drawing, I'll have to I'll teach you orthographic projection in sectioning first, after that one, and then that's when we can come here, because this is assembled and then sectional drawing is conserved there, orthographic projection as a whole is conserved there. So if we cut here, because they set a full sectional front, this is the front, this is the left, you understand? So the hexo was actually here pointing at this direction of item 1. So you see that this part, it was not cutted, this one, that is why this one, they will remain like this. So whatever that is beyond the cut, let's say they were saying AA, understand? So whatever that's beyond the cutting plane, we will consider it as an off cut, you understand? So this is what is going to be cutted from here till there. Will cut from here till there, it's a hole. From here till there will cut. So this part, it will go away. So our hatches, they will be only here and there, which is like this. So now let's go back to what? To item 2 now. When we cut from here till there, we'll cut. From here till there, it's a hole. From here till there, we'll cut. So now when you section item 2, it will be sectioned like this. So our hatches of the first item, which item 1 they were in a clockwise direction. So item 2, they must be anti-clockwise direction. So I decide to start here, and they must be a little bit smaller than the one of item. They mustn't be equal. They mustn't face the same direction. There you go. There you go. Item 2 till here. Item 2, there you go. Item 2. Item 2. So this is going to be our item 2. So I can label as well. That's my item 2. Item 2. Understand? So that's how it's going to be sectioned your item 2. So item 3, which is that one, where it is this one. So my hatches, they must oppose item 2. So the item 2, they were anti-clockwise, isn't it? So item 3, they will have to be in a clockwise direction. So you see that item 2 is very small, so even my hatches, they must be too close to each other. They must be, there you go, even this side. Okay, there you go, there you go. Item 2, there you go, coming this side, there you go. Then I can label, this is item 2, item 3, there you go, this is my item 3. I was very slow, eh? Item 3. Then item 4, where is my item 4? Item 4 is which one? Item 4 is the bush. Item 4 is this one. There it goes. There it goes. So which means they must be in this direction, anti-clockwise. There you go. I can start right here. There you go. There you go. There you go. There you go. So this side already here.